Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we do laundry in Walt Disney World in Port Orleans, Riverside, Alligator, Bayou section. So as you can see, we have a nice, beautiful, clean laundry. Actually very spacious. This laundry is really nice, and you also have folding tables, which is great. You have some snacks over here, and you have your detergents. Always bring my own detergent because we have an owner's locker, but if you don't and you want to purchase it here, you can. This is what they have. So it's detergent, I think it's powder, and then they have fabric softener sheets, and I think they're $1. So let's just try 35. Yes, it's $1. Right here you have all of your dryers, and then here and here you have your washers. All the machines are $3.25, and let's see, I think we use it with the scanner here. Sometimes they have these machines on the wall, but I don't see them here. So I guess this is how we're going to do the laundry today. So let me show you. Okay, so this is what I bring. I just bring something like this and this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and then we're gonna start the machine. Okay, so I scanned the code. I recognize my machine number. Everything matches. It's gonna be $3.50, and of course they charge the 25-cent convenience fee. Go ahead and select Apple Pay and make that payment and start the machine. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I selected power wash and extra rinse. Why not? It's here. Let's do it. We press start, and we got 46 minutes. I'm sure this is going to alert me, but I'm just going to go ahead and just set up a timer on my phone for 40, let's do like 43 minutes. We're gonna hit start. Laundry's in, dry sheet is in. We're gonna go ahead and scan this QR code for the dryer, and the top one is this, the bottom one is this. It has the markings, and that's it. It pops up on your phone. You have the option to select the top or the bottom. So mine is the top. And again, I'm gonna go ahead, proceed, and pay with Apple Pay. And that's it. Okay, payment is processed. I'm gonna go ahead and select medium heat, and it should start. There you go. So it's 60 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and also set a timer for myself, so I'm back in 60 minutes to pick it up. But you know, it's not busy here today, so I don't think you have to worry. But on a busy day, you want to make sure you get here in a good amount of time so nobody touches your laundry or, you know, takes it. All right guys, well, I hope you found this video helpful. I do have a small playlist already going at different resorts how we do laundry. I'm a mom, I have 2 kids. Sometimes we're so prepared, sometimes we're underprepared, like this trip. I did not check the weather enough. It's cold and we need more warm clothes. So I'm happy that Disney provides us with great amenities, even though we have to pay for this, but it's fine. I got to do the laundry, and now everything is nice, fresh, and clean. Okay, guys, well, I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video, or every single time I do laundry in Walt Disney World. Just joking. I do have that playlist. I will have it linked for you here and down below, how I do laundry in other resorts, because some of them are different, but mostly all are the same. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.